Delz, what's up?
We got this quick look at Shinsuke Nakamura. Looks awesome. I wish the pants were like glossy, that would have been better. But still pretty awesome. Look at him from the side. See, if the pants were glossy and where the arm is, if that was glossy, that would be dope. There's a look at his back. There's a look at his other side. And there you go with a close-up look at Shinsuke Nakamura. I'll put a link in the description box if you're looking to pick him up. Let me know if you're a fan or not of him. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new, and we out.